In this video, we will install ESXI 7.0 patch without migrating vCenter server appliance. Migrating vCenter server appliance to another host is not possible in this simulation because of the hardware resources that is required. But before we can update an ESXI host, it must be in maintenance mode, and all virtual machines installed on that host must be powered off or migrated to another host. So let's get started. Download and install WinSCP, an application that copies files from Windows to Linux operating system. Log into the VMware website and download the latest ESXi 7.0 zip file patch as shown. Log into the ESXi host to be upgraded. Shut down all virtual machines in the vCenter server appliance and set this host to maintenance mode. From Windows, run WinSCP and log in to the ESXi host needing update. Drag and drop the zip file patch to the vmfs/volume/data store directory of the ESXi host. Copy the directory path and the patch file name and paste it to the ESXCLI software vib update command as shown. Log into the ESXi host using PuTTY. edit the ESXI command, copy and paste it on the host console, press enter, and verify if successful as shown. Log into ESXI host and exit out of maintenance mode. At GNS3, shutdown and restart for this update will only take effect after reboot. Ensure that you change the network adapter to bridge at boot up. Log into the updated ESXI host and power up vCenter server appliance. Wait for a few, at least 20 minutes, then log into the vCenter server appliance. Go to the Updates tab and click on Check Compliance. That's it, we're done. Stay tuned for my next videos integrating ESXi standard switch and virtual machines with Cisco switches, VLANs, and routers.